Welcome to Skilled MBA Case Study Series in Accounting. Presents you Pharmabrew, a generic medicines manufacturer, faces challenges with inefficient administrative processes. Their budgeting system, intended to streamline operations, instead consumes resources. This case study highlights the pitfalls of process reform in the pharmaceutical industry, emphasizing the need for careful planning and execution to avoid costly setbacks. Pharmabrew, a generic medicines manufacturer, faces significant challenges with its administrative processes. The inefficient budgeting system is consuming valuable resources, leading to operational inefficiencies. This case highlights the critical need for streamlined processes to ensure effective resource allocation and operational success. Pharmabrew's budgeting process is lengthy and disconnected from daily operations, leading to mounting frustration among stakeholders. This inefficiency hampers decision-making and resource allocation, creating a significant challenge for the company. Addressing this issue is crucial for streamlining operations and improving overall efficiency. The Chief Financial Officer recognized the inefficiencies in the budgeting process and initiated a redesign. A new system was implemented to streamline operations, aiming to align budgeting with daily activities and reduce stakeholder frustration. This solution sought to enhance communication and efficiency, ensuring a more integrated approach to financial planning. The head of sales unexpectedly falls ill, leaving an unprepared assistant to take over. This sudden change reveals a significant knowledge gap, impacting decision-making and strategic planning. The assistant struggles to maintain the sales momentum, leading to inefficiencies and potential revenue loss. Cascading failures began with delayed deliveries, leading to missing raw materials. This disruption caused mounting client complaints and severely impacted production schedules. The lack of timely materials not only stalled operations, but also strained client relationships, highlighting the critical need for robust supply chain management and proactive problem-solving strategies. Root cause analysis reveals a lack of contingency planning and poor cross-department coordination. Knowledge silos remain unchallenged, leading to rushed implementations. These issues exacerbate cascading failures, delaying deliveries and disrupting production schedules. Addressing these root causes is crucial for improving overall efficiency and effectiveness. The core issue lies in misalignment. Budget doesn't match strategy, and process doesn't equate to performance. The new system prioritizes efficiency over effectiveness, neglecting crucial human factors in process design. This oversight can lead to inefficiencies and reduced morale, impacting overall organizational success. The financial impact of overlooking human factors in process design is significant. Inefficient systems lead to increased costs and reduced productivity. Aligning budget with strategy ensures resources are effectively utilized. Prioritizing human-centric approaches can enhance performance, reduce errors, and ultimately improve financial outcomes. Engage all departments in the redesign process to ensure comprehensive input. Frontline staff provide valuable insights, highlighting practical challenges and opportunities. Mapping interdependencies is crucial to anticipate the ripple effects of changes, ensuring a seamless transition and minimizing operational disruptions. Pilot testing new processes ensures validation in a controlled environment. Implement phased rollouts to introduce changes gradually, minimizing operational disruption. Maintain parallel systems, running old and new processes concurrently until the transition is complete. Build in rollback options with contingency plans to revert changes if issues occur. Documenting critical processes ensures consistency and reliability. Cross-training key personnel enhances flexibility and resilience, allowing for seamless operations during staff changes. Creating knowledge redundancy safeguards against information loss, ensuring that vital knowledge is preserved and accessible. These strategies are essential for maintaining operational integrity and fostering a robust organizational culture. Pharmabrew's recovery plan involves a comprehensive process audit to identify weak points, followed by a risk assessment to document potential failure modes. The system redesign focuses on building redundancy and flexibility. A robust training program ensures a multi-skilled workforce, enhancing operational resilience and adaptability. Resilience is crucial for adapting to challenges. Cross-functional alignment ensures cohesive operations. Effective risk management in process changes minimizes disruptions. Budgeting should be viewed as a strategic enabler, facilitating growth and innovation rather than merely a control mechanism. Thank you, and effective budgeting transcends mere financial control, serving as a strategic enabler. It demands foresight to anticipate future needs, collaboration across departments for alignment, and robust risk management to adapt to process changes. These elements ensure that budgeting not only supports but also drives organizational success.